Hey there, this is Andrew from Longbow Logistics, Calgary Used Pallet Supplier. I want to shoot a quick video talking about our free pallet removal. So I'm actually at a customer's. It's my buddy Oliver, who runs an HVAC company just here in Calgary, and then they have a whole schwack of pallets that they receive all of their shipment. I don't know what they get shipped on them, obviously things for HVAC, so I guess piping and metal sheathing and that kind of stuff. But yeah, they get a bunch of things shipped in to them on pallets that they have no use for, right? And this is a very common issue. This is actually the reason that I started my company, is that I was a director of a makerspace, and we would get sheet metal, plywood, piping, all these different materials and tools shipped in on wood pallets, which we as a consumer or someone using the materials has no use for these wood pallets. And then they stack up and you have to pay someone usually to get rid of them, right? Because what are you going to use them for? Or if you wanted to use the wood, you cut them up, and then all the time it takes for that, they take up space, takes up your time, it takes money to get rid of them, and they're also a safety hazard, all these issues with them, right? So the service that I provide to Oliver and to companies like this is that I do free pallet removals of their standard 48 by 40 pallets. Now, if you have different sizes, that's generally something that we'll have to organize differently, and that's usually going to be a charge, or I can set you up with other companies who do use that size, but generally it's going to be a charge for different sizes. So standard 48 by 40 pallets, even if they're broken, you can watch the other videos on the Longbow Logistics website for difference between A grade, B grade, stringer, block, all those kind of things, and what we can repair and what's able for sale. But yeah, even if they're broken, we can repair them. Okay, so standard 48 by 40, we'll get rid of them for you for free. Now, how does that help you if you have other sized pallets? Well, it's a marginal benefit, right? So Oliver, in his case, he has to throw out these pallets that aren't the right size or send them back to his supplier, right? But the cost is significantly lower now, right? Because I get rid of 60% of his pallets, or most customers is usually like 80% of their pallets. Now they don't have to pay to dispose of those ones because they got rid of them for free. I leave it nice and clean for them, and then they've saved 80% of their disposal cost and the time associated with it, right? So that's our free pallet removals. If you have standard 48 by 40, be they stringer, blocks, dual stringer, if they're broken and can be repaired, I'll come get rid of them for you for free. So if you want to do that, just give me a call at 587-735-1720. This is Andrew from Longbow Logistics, Calgary Used Pallet Supplier.